kum ka jington khti ban pe ya ka Khuid ka suba jong ka than Sohra ban lumi ki nyut ki nyer lembat ki jabo jaban bala berat da ki brio ka rotary Guwahati Lutras da ka jing no sinyang pisalang ka hotel Polo Towers Limited Shillong bat ka Manual Floatel Limited Kolkata ha kalai puwe terek leber kalalit ban IT South League ki tuk bat ka we ka trok ki nyut sha ka hima Sohra ha ka jing lang ka balalong hapo hall Polo Orchid Resort ka balong rukum shi benta ka jing pli ya ka CSR project na ka benta ka hima Sohra ha ka balawan ban shi benta lang da uba Mark Andrew Chalam SDO ka Sohra Civil Subdivision kumukongsan ha ka jing don lang u acting CM ka hima Sohra minjur lang majau ki we de ki bade don lang ki kan thop ya uba Kishan Tibewala chairman ka hotel Polo Towers Limited ka Chandana Das ka bade ka president jaga Rotary Club Shillong ba Alan West Kharkongor advisor tourism ka hima Sohra Marem Dors Ames ka hima Sohra ki menteri bat bakrau ka hima Sohra bat kunhun jaga hima Sohra tourist assistance team ka jingwan ka kunhun ban yarap ki tuk bat kali kit nyut ka longru kum ka jing Snoh tilang lembat ka hima Sohra ka baya khun kum nu ban Pynlong ya ka Sohra ka ba Khuid bat ba Itynnad.
Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause.
This photograph should be memorable.
I would like to place on record my deepest gratitude to my friend, Kishan. Last year we had approached him for certain facilities. We had given him a proposal that is required by Sohra to put into effect certain things that need to be done, especially with waste management. So today it has materialized due to the commitment towards meaningful development of Sohra. We have no doubts that tourism in Sohra has translated into good economy. Tourism in Sohra has provided jobs to almost 80% of the entire population of Sohra. When the cement factory collapsed, there was a great kind of anxiety amongst the people of Sohra. The fact that many families have lost their job. So thankfully, God has not left us. In fact, tourism came as a kind of a substitute to the job that we lost due to the collapse of the FCCL. Sohra has taken seriously the balance between economy and ecology. We should know the very fact that here in Sohra we have only nature that brings people from outside, and God has placed it well. I mean, if you go to Sikkim, you see only snow. If you go to Arunachal, maybe the best. You do rafting on Subansari, Kaba. But this place is so blessed that it's like a combo of everything. What do you need here? You need a cave system, it's here. The best of the best waterfall in India is here. Ideal climate, heaviest rain, all in the menu. So, God has blessed us. But I think we also have the responsibility of protecting the very meaning of the current livelihood that we earn from. So last year we had launched this green, clean and safe Sohra campaign. It is an effort to address the challenges that has negatively impacted Mother Earth. So this balance between economy and ecology is the need of the hour. I mean, came a time last year that we were so serious that because of unrestricted inflow of tourists also, it has become a problem. The road from Meghalaya to Sohra, I mean, when you drive, you want to see. It's full of litter. So these are the current challenges that we have to address while we also learn from Mother Earth. I'm so happy now that if you drive from Sohra, if not 100%, the place is decent enough. And thanks to those guys on the uniform. They get a point that every Saturday and Sunday, that is voluntary, they will come out and clean. So I think we should clap. Your contribution, Mr. Babisan, is also, noted and will be of great help. We'll put that to use properly. We'll ensure that there'll be no joyrides. And the motorcycles are meant for patrolling because it's a long stretch from Sohra. There are open spaces like Itynnad. Sohra is so blessed with space also, and it becomes a problem that you cannot manage them. So the idea of having these motorcycles is to have trained people to go around and ensure that the place is clean and also decent. Sohra, everyone comes to Sohra now, enjoy. And so also sometimes they create menace. So the idea of we call them tourist assessment team, is to ensure that the place is decent and that people behave themselves. So we'll ensure that we put it to use properly.
Kendaraan Snoh dan tempat kesukaan crown và kalian himat nila bagi PAP kebakang ba ane berkedon nak Snoh kita ia jom kam hala jom jaga Shillong tahu himat kam kam yang berdaya bagi Khubor suba berdaya yang kebakang himat kalau sedang pan kira kira di Khubor iba ISM nangba jemni iba kano iba lekak wa jemle akabami persiapan wan di dalam bukti na tementa no banra eka sabar berkuat bersuka but amat lemda penpau jing sumu nageleng jona ya di dekat domestic committee Indonesia lengkap pakai tourism komiti yang lima di wilayah bersama bahwa ini kila nanti komang mengenai apa jalan dan alam west beliau itu besar nanti puluh tahun kami keren ini juga bentar juga Khuid suka ikan kemudian dia bahkan ini kesimpulan yang ini kalau bidangkan yang Khubor pura diterima Sohra ni dan lihat ban air di kali. Jadi saya orang Khubor nak kita berdekat, nak kita beliau nak itu kerja sainbo itu bagi ibu itu lah kentik di dasbene. Nei kami ini kentik yang sar isan itulah bagi naga kali. Tehantahi kajing sopen kajari Khubor dalam buat iklan berkat kerinti. But wilayah Khubor hadir bawa dan Pynlong kami hadir ngobrol ya kepala play mereka atau ka sni mengenai di Khubor ya ka main akabah dia dan ini kata kesin untuk kami sedang sedang bahwa dia tinggal dia juga cek untuk kumpulan represent dengan dia tinggal ini kali pada ini 2012 negara ini ia kami dokumen bahan awal pun ini nak taban mungkin mau dari kota but di dokumen bah ulang mentah malah deng kecil yalek yang itu lima pun dia terlebih bah ka sanction yang terhima habre bagaimana bentuk subah yang ini punya kalau bisa tak sibun buat dipelajari ke terhima amal lihat langsung wah ini kan ayah lagi drop dan kit tiut ngayo pada dia kau bila kan bentuk saya kata dia kalau ngejinglot pun dan ke tak ngejinglot terhima dan lain instrumen bagaimana kau kejinglot ini kau bukannya orang kalah antara jin Khubor lima nilai yang ini ke jingai sofa lemba ke puluh Rglt apa yang Ini mengiyak ini bentang mengiyak pencegahan lembaga komiti akibat mengiyak tempai di net pinyer sektor kita kenapa kan long kajian ini itu kan jika pergi kalau crowd ada kata kata demi kahima.
You find a decidedly marked decrease in the number of garbage we find along the roadside, right from our club right to Sohra. I think we have to give great credit to Sohra for this. However, we also have to remember that if it's picked from somewhere, it has to go somewhere. And we are very delighted to hear that there's a memorandum of understanding signed with a company from Guwahati, and I do believe this will be the first of its kind in Meghalaya, and I'm sure it will be a leading light. Now, which is very apt because if you think about it, one of the first places where formal education came to Meghalaya was in Sohra. So I think it is the responsibility of the people of Sohra to lead the way, as they have about 2 centuries, 3 centuries ago. Now, among the fact that we do appreciate that tourism brings a lot of prosperity, livelihood to a lot of people in Sohra, it also gives us a responsibility. Responsibility to ensure that the beauty of Sohra is not compromised just for a few extra rupees. We have to understand very well that if we are greedy for 1,000, we're losing on 1,000,000. The old adage goes that we're not here because we have inherited the earth, we're here because we have borrowed the earth from our children. And it's up to us what kind of earth we leave, and in this particular instance, what kind of Sohra we leave to the generations coming after us. I believe that today's ceremonial handling over these vehicles, which will contribute to the control of waste, to the Green and Safe Sohra campaign, will help a long way to achieving all the vision that Sohra has. We have to comment on the fact that the very idea of having clean surroundings by Sohra is a visionary thing in itself. I have been to many places in India where beautiful places are ruined by stacks of garbage all around. And I do believe that the leaders of Sohra have seen this and are very, very certain that they do not want this in Sohra. We love a clean environment, and I'm very, very sure our guests, the tourists who come here, will love that clean environment. Sohra is not just blessed with natural beauty, not just blessed with wonderful weather. Most importantly, it is blessed by the warmest people that I've met in many, many places where I've worked. And I do believe it is this warmth inside your hearts which has brought you to think about the future. Not only our immediate future, but the future of our children and the future of the entire Sohra, not just the Sohra, not just the subdivision, but also the state as a whole. I extend my appreciation also to Rotary Club, which we know is an international organization which has been involved in so many things. And I do believe the involvement of the Rotary Club at this point of time shows us that this is not the end of the journey, it's just the beginning of the journey. We do hope with the expertise and also the manpower that we know Rotary Club has, we will go on to achieve great things through this partnership.
Shana insurance baru mantas snap. So adu at least sifo snap. maintain the approved bike. Every year I'll provide the insurance. So these are the papers of the bike and the keys for the bike. Through the SDO. So that he can do the policing also. But also when you hand over charge, tell your successor also that you see that they maintain the vehicles.